is up, guys? So a couple weeks ago I ordered a deck from CCS, and it just got here when I came back from school. It's pretty exciting, so I guess I'll do an unboxing video. I'll open this up right now. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Holy! They gave me a lot of things, didn't they? Alright, this is kind of useless. I got a Skateboard magazine, which I didn't order. What? Which issue is this? September issue, which is pretty sick. It's like $5, so it's like a free $5 there. And what else did I get? Whoa. I have a... That's useless. And that's useless. Got a CCS sticker. Put that right there. My shipment order. And the deck itself. It is a size 8 girl deck. I guess it might be a collab between Chocolate and Girl. Pretty sweet deck, and it's pretty sweet. So that's pretty. It comes with the curl top sticker, and it also comes with the free mob grip. How do I take this out? How do I take this out? Free sheet of mob grip. That's pretty sick. I love how it's not like all curled up, because sometimes that can be kind of crappy. So yeah, I'll show it to you again. Pretty sweet. Size 8. Free mob grip. And Skateboard magazine for free, which is pretty sick. And CCS sticker. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh yeah, crap, I also forgot. Since it's winter right now, we might not be able to film as much. So it might be like one video per week, or maybe one video per like week and a half. We can't upload much, sorry about that. So hope you guys stick with us. It's a hard time in the winter, we can't film much. So I'll see you guys later.